In this video, we will be discussing the impact of internal links for SEO to improve your page ranking on search engines like Google, Yandex, and Bing. So we will be discussing its importance, its impact, and why you actually need to focus on internal linking on your blog posts, articles, or on your money sites. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do click that red button because you are going to miss a lot of tips and tricks of SEO, link building, and much more in this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So now you must be wondering, what is internal link? Internal link is linking from your property to another page of your own property. And why does it actually matters? So let me show you what John Mueller, which is the head of Google search, has to say about it. So do watch this video.
If you have structured data for breadcrumb setup, is internal linking still important for SEO? And yes, absolutely. It's something where internal linking is super critical for SEO. I think it's one of the biggest things that you can do on a website to kind of guide Google and guide visitors to the pages that you think are important. And what you think is important is totally up to you. You can decide to make things important where you earn the most money, or you can make things important where you're the strongest competitor, or maybe you're the weakest competitor. With internal linking, you can really kind of focus things on those directions and those parts of your site. And that's not something that you can just replace with structured data. So just because there is structured data in a page somewhere, I wouldn't see that as a replacement for normal internal linking. Even if in the structured data you also provide URLs, we don't use those URLs in the same way as we would use normal internal links on a page. So it's definitely not the case that hreflang annotations replace kind of links between country versions, or breadcrumb annotations replace links between different levels of a website. You should really have normal HTML links between the different parts of your website. And ideally, you should not just have kind of like a basic set of links, but rather you should look at it in a strategic way and think about, what do you care about the most, and how can you highlight that with your internal link?
So now you must have understand that how it's actually important for your blog or content sites or any sites you are actually running right now. So let's find a way to actually measure it. And to measure it, you can use Google Search Console. Yes, you can use Google Search Console to find your top linking pages or the top internal linking pages. So how to do that? Just go to your panel of Google Search Console. Here is the console ID. So you need to check your console ID from here, right? And after that, just go to the left side, scroll down to the last, and there is a links option. And here is external links and internal links data here. And what you need to do is go to the internal links here, and you will find the top most internal link pages on your entire website. And if you click on the more, and there you will find each and every content that are most internal linked to. So as you can see, if I go to the kwebby.com/blog, so it is being linked on these particular pages. As you can see on my website, the blog is linked on the header part, and header is visible on multiple pages. Like in my SEO tools section, there's a header visible like blog. And if I click on any of the tools available here, and there is a header there. So header will be there, and the most internal linked pages. So these blog, contact section, recent sites, site versus site, these are the menu links, right? And these will be the highest internal link pages. So that's how you can easily see and find which page has highest number of internal links. So that's where you can easily manage. So to do that, you can export this data and upload it on your Excel sheet and sort your data out just like that. So that's how you can measure your internal links and find which blogs has the highest number of internal links from the one property to the another. So now moving forward to how you can actually improve your internal linking. See, mostly internal links are placed on the content pages of your website. For example, on my blog, this is a Kwebby/blog, and there are many resources out there because I'm not actively posting content on my blog section, but there are a bunch of posts already there. So if I just click on any of them, like how to find your like post or something like that, and there, if you see, there are many internal links out there. As you can see, they also read this. So this particular link is an internal link to my another blog. So first thing first, what you need to do to improve internal linking and how you need to place that on your content site. First is you have to add a relevant post to your current content. For example, here it is all about the Instagram or find liked post on Instagram, quick link 3 steps. Obviously, the core niche of this particular blog is about Instagram, and for that part you need to include everything around the Instagram which you have already posted in past. So here, as you can see, there's already read how to say follow this page on Instagram for more followers. And if you find various links here, you will find a bunch of internal links which are linking to the other pages. And why you actually need that? Because it helps to increase your search engine visibility. And you must be wondering how. Simple thing is, a Google bot will land on your top performing pages or any pages of your site. Or for example, if this blog has been trending on search engine, and whenever a Google bot land on this page, they will find a bunch of links out there. Obviously, they will find the external links which you are linking to the authoritative sites out there, or there are internal links like this. So here is internal link, and that bot will follow this particular link. If it followed this link, so it will also land on the prioritize on their search engine pages. So Google will realize that this particular link is actually important for the users out there, and it will give a priority to this page, and your underperforming pages like this will be positioned higher in their pages. So that is first thing to increase your visibility. And the second thing is obviously a user experience. For example, if I am searching something for this particular keyword or this particular blog post, how to find your like post on Instagram quickly in 3 steps, I'm browsing this particular blog and I found that, oh yeah, this one thing I want to learn about, like how to say follow this page on Instagram, because I don't know how to say follow this page, and there will be a number of reasons to follow this page and how to convey it to my audience. So I can click that, and what it does is it will reduce your bounce rate, and more resources I will keep on learning. Like if I click on this page, and there will be another post like 6 best apps for Instagram for PC in 2023. So yes, I want to know about it because I want to accelerate my Instagram marketing. So I want to know this. So then that particular user will land on the 3rd page of your blog post, and it will go on and on and on. So that's how you leverage internal linking for your own benefit. So trust me, it will reduce your bounce rate and it will increase your search engine visibility. And I have tested it on all of my clients and it gives a positive results. So okay, so this is all about the benefits of internal linking, and now we should jump on how to add internal links to existing posts. So for that part, I have already logged in on my Kwebby development blog, and here if you're on the WordPress website, you know how to do it. If you don't know, just follow this. So if you are just writing this blog, let me convert each and every paragraph to the blocks. So this is the demo blog here, which says some dangers from the pandemic fatigue. Something about how does this become another political issue? And if you have written something about the political issue or something related to the political issue, you should start adding a link to it. And how to start adding a link to it? Just highlight this particular line, like become another political issue, and click on this link and start typing your post. Yes, you don't need to go ahead and search for the entire post on your WordPress blog. Maybe you have thousands of it. You don't need to do that. You just need to start typing about it, like political or something like that. If this particular blog is related to the highlighted keyword, just click on it and it will be there. So you have got yourself internal links. So that's how you can easily highlight long-tailed keywords in your content and give it a link. Just type out if it's already available on your blog, and you can easily interlink with your current page. So it will start adding more visibility to search engines. So that's how easy it is. So if you're not on the WordPress, then you already know how to create a link. Just to create a link, it's actually pretty easy. You have a code like this. Yes. So input your another internal link, like I'm inputting Kwebby.com, and there you need to add your anchor text. So anchor text should be a long tail. I suggest it should be a long tail to describe what your blog is all about. And there it is, and with closing a tag. So that's how easy it is. So this will be the code for your internal links. So if you didn't know already, so that's how easy it is. So you can just start inserting into your page. So there's also the one more thing I want to say about how to input internal links. For example, if you are posting something about WordPress, or if you have a blog about WordPress, I have a blog post about how to set up a Google business profile in 2023. So there's a whole bunch of information about it. And if you see, so there is a highlighting, and there is internal link already, dominate local SEO in 7 simple steps. Obviously, if someone is searching for how to set up a Google business, then they must be searching, or they must not have know about local SEO and how to rank on search engine for the local business. So that's where I just input that. And if I go to the conclusion, just before the conclusion, here I have a heading like more Google business profile resources, and there I have input all the internal links of the related posts, just like this. So this way, for example, is being reading your content just from the top to bottom, and if they have known everything about that particular topic, like here is all about the Google, setting up Google business profile, and there is more Google business profile. If I land on this, they obviously want to know more about it, like how to find your Google business profile ID, or maybe how to back up your Google business profile and how to remove it. So if they want to learn more about it, they will click on it, and if they click on it, it will reduce your bounce rate and your increase your search engine visibility. So that's how the another way to add internal links on your content pages or blog pages. So that's about it. And now here is the fun part. So you may have audited your website, and you may have included everything you want in the internal link sections, but what about the website with 1,000+ pages? Maybe you need a tool that can audit your website and suggest you where you need to input your internal links to your pages, such that it will increase visibility in the eyes of the Google. So there's one tool I want to suggest if you want to break your bank. So that is SURFERSEO's Grow Flow tool. So what it does is, it will scan your website, and using your Google Search Console's report, it will use your Google Search Console's report and scan your website and give you suggestion where you need to include internal links. So that's how important it is, and you can do it easily and effortlessly. So how? So go to the SURFERSEO, just follow the link in the description box, and there it will be the first link. Just follow that, and you will sign up for the free account for the SURFERSEO. And there you need to add your website to the Grow Flow. And to add the website, just click on the manage, and a new interface will open just like this. So this is the two website which is already linked. This is the free version, and this is included in your plan. So just add it out here. It will just want you to integrate with your Google Search Console, and just sit back. You will receive a weekly update or weekly task to improve your internal linking. For example, here is the internal links option. As you can see, this is the task which I need to complete for my particular website, and there is an internal link to Google Images SEO introduction, which is one of the posts. And if I open it, it suggests these pages to be interlinked to this particular page. For example, this SEO tutorial should be linked to this, and how to set up business profile, and it should be linked to this particular page. And this will help you to increase your search engine visibility easily. So just follow these insert link task here, and you will be surprised by the result, because I suggest SURFERSEO to all of my clients, and we use SURFERSEO for all our clients to improve on-page optimization to rank higher in the search engine. So just copy it. For example, here, how to improve first input delay into 2023. And here it is, what is Google Work Capital. These are the links, these are the source pages should be linking to this particular page. So just open this. For example, here I will open this, okay, and now I will click on the added post. So this is the post which I want my links to be interlinked. So let me copy the target URL, and if there is something about the first input delay, I will add the link to it. So yes, there is a text called in first input delete. I will just search for first input. So there it is. Just click on it. So it will just add that. And there's a cumulative layout shift also. Just let me add this also. That's how easy it is. So there's a large contentful paint also. I want that to be interlinked. Let's just this one. That's how easy it is. Just click on update, and after you have done, just click on mark as done, and it will be gone. So this way you can easily audit your website and add more internal links to your pages. So that is all. And this is one thing I want to suggest. If you want to audit your page, you can also use its audit function. Like I've already audited this particular page, and let me tell you the overview of the report. And here it is: add internal links pointing to the audited URL from the relevant pages listed below. So if you just use the audit functionality of this SURFERSEO, you will find the internal links to be added of this particular page to the relevant pages. For example, if we click on the show internal links, so these are the links where we have already put our links, and there is a tool link that is a Gmail offline and how to find your saved Wi-Fi password. We need to add this particular link to this. So these are the suggestions by the audit tool from SURFERSEO, so that this will also improve your internal linking for SEO. So that's about it. The video gets way longer, but just to demonstrate just to give you an idea how to improve internal linking for SEO. So hope you have got it. If you have got it, just click on the like button, and if you want tips or tricks like this in the future, just click on this subscribe button, and do share with your colleague or friends and let them know how important it is for your daily SEO life. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.